One-page checkout is a tried and tested strategy that many online stores adopt to provide a faster checkout experience to customers. In this video, we will discuss some of the best WooCommerce one-page shopping plugins that could be useful to your store strategy. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon, so you don't miss out on great content related to WordPress and WooCommerce. WooCommerce one-page checkout plugin helps you fasten the checkout process in your store. You can either create a single product page including checkout forms, or you can create a checkout page with a curated list of products. Customers will be able to complete the purchase process from the same page without going through multiple pages before checkout. With the help of shortcodes, you can also create custom landing pages using this plugin. It also supports unique product types such as subscriptions, bookings, bundles, etc. If you are looking for a solution to optimize your WooCommerce store's checkout flow, Cashier plugin could help. This plugin speeds up the checkout flow by allowing customers to skip cart and checkout pages, and make a purchase in a single click. Once a customer's payment details are saved in your store, the plugin will easily redirect them to their last used payment option. It offers an option to redirect customers to a specific page when they click the Add to Cart button. It also offers automatic product recommendations for upsells and cross-sells. Quick Checkout for WooCommerce plugin helps in simplifying the checkout process in your store. It offers features that will add to the convenience of the users, and thereby providing a boost your conversions as well. It offers a Buy Now button that will help customers skip the cart page and complete purchases quickly. In addition, the plugin also allows saving multiple addresses so that customers can easily pick one every time they make a purchase. Based on the requirement, you can add the Buy Now button in the single product page, shop page, or category or tag pages. Quick Buy Now button is another plugin that offers a Buy Now button option for your WooCommerce store. You can place the button anywhere on the site with the help of shortcodes. The plugin lets you control the display of this button based on specific products or categories. It also lets you redirect customers to different destinations after clicking the button, including external pages. WooCommerce Product Table plugin is one of the popular options for one-page ordering in a WooCommerce store that will help wholesale stores and restaurants a lot. Customers will be able to quickly search and sort products, choose a quantity and proceed to checkout using this plugin. It allows you to display a large number of products in the order form or table, and you will have full control over what data you are displaying with the products. And the plugin lets you add product tables anywhere with shortcode or blocks. You can enhance the customer experience in your store with a one-click checkout option using the YITH WooCommerce one-click checkout plugin. The plugin will save customers' previous payment information, and as a result, they will be able to directly make a purchase the next time. It will prompt customers to activate the one-click option right after their first purchase. Also, you can display the button on the shop page, and exclude specific products from this option as well. WooCommerce One-Page Shopping is another plugin that offers a quick checkout option on your store. When a customer adds a product to cart, the checkout form will be displayed on the same page, and the customer can easily complete the purchase. Based on your requirements, you can configure this option for shop page, individual product pages, or category pages. Express Shop plugin lets you display all your WooCommerce products on a single page to facilitate easy shopping and bulk ordering. It is a great option for several businesses like restaurants, grocery stores, music shops, etc. The plugin offers great options for product filtering. You will also find several pre-designed templates to make your job easier. With the WooCommerce One-Page Checkout Suite plugin, you will be able to enhance the conversion rate on your store by providing a simple one-page checkout option for your customers. The plugin lets you add quick checkout buttons of PayPal and Amazon Pay as well. It is responsive and ensures a great customer experience on all devices. You will be able to create a bulk order form with the One-Page Checkout Shop plugin that will let your customers easily make one-page shopping. By default, the plugin displays 10 products, and has a smooth Ajax-enabled Load More option. It also offers easy filtering and a floating quick cart. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our social media channels. Do let us know in the comments section if you want us to cover a specific topic, or if you have any ideas or suggestions.